Movie nights with friends are a fun, affordable way to spend time together without going out. While watching a movie at home may seem simple, a little planning can make the experience much better for everyone. By choosing the right movie, inviting guests early, setting up comfortable seating, preparing comfortable snacks, creating a cozy atmosphere, and keeping phones away during the film, you can turn an ordinary movie night into a memorable event. Picking the movie. Choose the movie before guests arrive, or narrow it down to a few options. This saves time, avoids arguments, and makes the movie night more enjoyable. If you already have a movie in mind, mention it when inviting people, so they know what to expect. Show your friends an underrated movie you love. Choose something interesting but still enjoyable for the group. Have a few backup options in case they have already seen your first choice, and mention the movie ahead of time if needed. Get your guests involved by letting them vote on a few movie options or submit their own suggestions. As the host, you can make the final decision if needed. If no one can agree, choose a movie at random from the list. Choose a movie that fits your audience. Think about who is coming and what they might enjoy, and make sure the movie is appropriate if kids are present. If you're unsure, ask guests for their preferences before movie night. Make it a themed movie marathon if you have time for multiple films. Choose sequels, movies with the same actor, or films that share a similar theme. You can make the connection obvious or let guests guess the theme by the end. Making it an event. Print movie ticket invitations to make the night feel more special. Include the movie title, date, and each guest's name. You can hand them out or send them ahead of time. And for fun, ask guests to bring their ticket to enter. Use a creative location to make the movie night more fun. Choose a spot that matches the movie, such as watching a scary movie in the basement, a racing movie in the garage, or a space movie outdoors under the stars. Just make sure the place is comfortable, safe, and suitable for watching. Set up extra seating before guests arrive so everyone has a comfortable place to watch. Add folding chairs, pillows, blankets, or extra furniture if needed. Make sure every seat has a clear view of the TV or projector, and avoid inviting too many people if the space is small. Provide plenty of snacks and drinks to make movie night more enjoyable. Classic choices like popcorn, candy, and soda are always popular. But you can also offer more filling options like sandwiches, fries, fruit, vegetables, or cheese. Check with guests about allergies or diet restrictions before the night begins. Keep plates, napkins, and a visible trash can nearby so everyone can snack comfortably without making a mess. And creating the atmosphere. Decorate for the night to match the movie theme and make the event feel special. Use Halloween items for scary movies, jerseys for sports movies, or simple props related to the film. Even small decorations can make your living room feel more like a real movie event. Dim the lights to create a better movie night atmosphere. If the room becomes too dark, use a few dim lamps or string lights. A dimmer switch is perfect because you can lower the lights when the movie starts. Establish a no phones rule so everyone can stay focused and enjoy the movie together. At the start, politely ask guests to keep their phones away or on silent during the film. Keep the tone friendly, not strict, and explain that it will make the movie night more fun and less distracting for everyone. Take an intermission halfway through the movie so guests can check their phones, use the bathroom, and get more snacks. Keep it short, around 10 minutes, so the break does not drag on too long. Hold a short discussion after the movie to get everyone involved. Ask simple questions, such as what they thought of the main character, the story, or the theme. As the host, start the conversation and let it flow naturally. Thanks for watching!